want to learn several ways of how to make money online, especially if you're a newbie in the business, this video is for you. Today we will talk about 6 most common ways people make money online, and if this is something you are interested in, smash the like button to fuel me up and let's begin. I will start bottom up from those that are easiest to start to those that require a lot of investments, not necessarily in money, but most probably in your time. And the important part, I have tried all of those myself, so I'll speak from experience here. Some worked better than the others and some I'm currently trying, and I will update you on my progress as I go along the way, so make sure you're notified of my new comings. Now, you have probably heard that the wealthiest men on the planet have diverse streams of income. This is the key to financial freedom and to personal freedom as well. It might take you a while to define what your most promising directions of making money online are, so it's okay to have several streams of income, however tiny they are, and then you will figure out which work best for you, which don't, and then focus on those that work best for you. And the first way of making money online is get an online work-at-home job, however boring it may sound. The fastest way of making money online has always been a job, work-at-home job or online job, and this has been the primary focus of this channel, work-at-home jobs and online businesses, before we switched more to the IT side. You can find a lot of information on my channel about which jobs are trending on the markets, which online jobs pay the most, which require minimum experience, where you can get those online jobs, where you can apply, how you should apply, and which companies pay the most. There is tons of playlists on my channel, so make sure to go and check them all out. Also, there is a separate playlist on my channel dedicated to work-at-home tips that are geared to making your online job a success. I strongly recommend you checking out those videos if you have zero experience in finding online job or working at home, because this is the first thing you should do when you need money desperately. This is the fastest way to pay your bills until you find better sources of income. It provides a sense of security, and after you make some money out of your online job, then you can switch and add some extra income streams, and you will feel more confidence in making money online, and you will also find some other ways you might not have thought of before you started your online job. Which leads me to second stream of income, and that is starting a side gig and potentially grow it into a full-time business. This might not sound inspiring for you as well, because it requires some effort, I mean in terms of your time, to actually make money from your side gig. And I'm speaking from experience here, because there has never been a year when I didn't do something or another besides my full-time office job. Even when I worked as a high-level employee in a tech startup company and earned quite a nice salary, I still had some side gig to work on in my evenings, on my weekends, and in my other spare time. Or when I was on maternity leave and had my twins and had my hands full, I still had a side gig. I had still found the time to commit to making money online as my side gig. And why did I do that? It gave me a sense of security, and when I felt that I'm super fed up with my job, I can easily leave any day, because I had this tiny second stream of income on which I could rely and potentially grow it into primary income if I cared enough. So it gave me a sense of freedom that I could leave my day job like any day, because I have this second stream of income to rely on and to keep me going while I'm thinking something out. And this takes a lot from your shoulders. You're not married to your job, you're not a slave to your job, you have other things to do and you're good at other things, which is precious feeling. A pro tip here, try to hit for a certain set amount of money that you can make from your side gig. Sort of a milestone for you, so that you can understand that if you make a certain amount of money from your side gig on a monthly basis, you will be able to understand how much you are able to make if you turn it into a full-time business or a full-time job. This will help you understand whether it's worth it or whether you're doing this as a hobby. Another way of making money online might not be appealing to many, and that is selling your stuff. That's right, sell the stuff that you don't need. I have done it previously on my maternity leave when money was scarce, and I have started doing it again recently because there are things, valuable things that I don't need anymore, and it would be a shame to just throw them away. So I have started doing it again. When you're desperate to make money straight away, it might be the only option for you to get money fast, to sell your stuff and sell your valuable possessions. Now, the most common mistake here when people come to thinking of selling their own stuff is that most people start to think about selling their junk, like CDs, DVDs, books, or old clothes, or anything of this kind. Now, be honest here, it's 2021 as of today. Tell me, are you going to buy a CD? Probably not. So don't waste your time trying to sell it. When you're thinking of how to make money online fast, then you should focus on more valuable possessions like laptops, TV sets, or furniture, designer handbags or clothing, and so on. Yes, this might be painful, but sometimes there are things that you don't really use. For example, I had a bicycle that costed a fortune, but I didn't really ride a bicycle because I just don't have time, and I live in city surroundings where the traffic is crazy, so I don't need it really. So I could as well sell it. Also, try to sell on multiple platforms. There might be local platforms that are specific for your own country, and there are international platforms like social media, like Facebook, Instagram, and other social media. So instead of selling your stuff only, say, in Facebook groups, try selling them on your Instagram page if you have followers enough, or try to sell them again at your local resources or in other social media. Before we proceed, if you like the video so far, please smash the like button to show other people that you approved of this video, and let's proceed with the list. Now, the next way of making money online is investments. Grow your investment portfolio. I know there is a lot of people talking about that. Now you must absolutely go and check out this video of mine where I talk with amazing Kenan Grace, who has a YouTube channel and who is a professional at personal investments. So you might want to go and check out this video and then his channel to listen to someone who is professional at this. This, however, should be taken seriously, and there is no fast return of investments, and there is a thing called compound interest that grows over the years. So you really can't consider it as a fast way of making money. No, it's not about that. Growing your investment portfolio takes years, but it also pays back. So you can start with investing like $200 per month and then grow your investments into 10% of your monthly income per month into stocks, whatever you buy. One thing to remember is that the sooner you start, the higher your compound interest would be. So the sooner, the better. The next way how people make money online is starting a media business or content-based business. And what I'm talking here is YouTube, Instagram, and other sources of attracting audience, where you will be able to use that audience to either sell your stuff or use your audience for affiliate marketing or even making profits on ads. Now, this way is the most complicated in terms of return of investments and basically in time. You will have to spend a lot of time to grow your audience, and in today's overhyped media space, this is extremely complicated and hard. And without an audience, you can't sell anything and you won't make money from your media business. Just to give you understanding, it's not that easy to attract people's attention on the media. It takes a lot of time, so don't expect any fast results. I mean, look at my channel. I've been on YouTube for a couple of years and I'm still there. Loser. However, I have seen other people's channels just blowing up on YouTube, and that is extremely inspiring, like the above mentioned Kenan Grace. Kenan, if you're watching, I'm so proud of you and I'm happy to know you. The next way of making money online is create and sell a digital product. Now, this one is another hard to launch and hard to scale and hard to make profit from type of making money online, but this is also extremely promising if you make it right. Depending on what you can bring to the table, it could be an online course, it could be an app, it could be an ebook. By the way, check out my video on how to publish an ebook on Amazon, because selling ebooks is definitely one of my side gigs and side ways of making money online. It could be a software as a service or a software product, licensed software product, and so on. I have some experience here because A, I'm selling my ebooks on Russian e-stores, B, I have tried Amazon with one translated short English fantasy story, but it didn't really work well because I didn't really care to promote it at all. So the result is obvious. And C, I have tried launching multiple software products with my team, and some worked better, some didn't work at all, some failed, and some we didn't even come to creating an MVP, minimum viable product. It's extremely pricey, and you should be aware of that. So if you're not a developer yourself, this might not be the best option for you. Of course, this is not an ultimate list of making money online. However, these are proven ways that work and that bring people money. Not all of them sound trendy or posh. Of course, some are boring, like you have to work to get money online, and not necessarily all of them will work for you, but at least 2 will work undoubtedly if you start working on them, especially if you hit the like button. And if you really like the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss all of my new comings. We talk about online businesses, work-at-home careers, and IT businesses here. And if you want to build your online or IT business, you're welcome to join our Top Guns community here. Now have a great week, have a great mood, and see you really soon on this channel. See you soon. Bye.